In this tech tip video, we give the regular CAM user a short introduction into the new concept of machine-powered programming and how to use it in NX2406. We start by opening an already programmed part. And for demonstration, I open the out-of-the-box Sim08 example. We will use a machine from library, which is already upgraded for MPP. If you are interested about how to create a machine for machine-powered programming, you will find the link to the tech tip video in the description below. As first step, we replace our current machine by selecting Retrieve Machine from Library. When we have selected our new machine, press OK. Now a dialog message shows up and tells us if we have objects classified as device, it will be removed from the setup. Reason is that the device classification is not supported with MPP machine. Examples of objects classified as device are tool holder, tailstocks, steady rest and chucks. For future releases, there will be new classifications introduced to fill this purpose. Press yes to continue and a second dialog shows up, asking where we would like to mount our part. We define the desired position and press OK. When the new MPP machine is loaded, we can instantly see as an indicator in center of the screen a new button saying Display Tool in Machine. When this is toggled on, we get an instant machine preview during toolpath animation. Or with pick on path. We can also turn on Display IPW and see the material removal. Important to keep in mind when working with an MPP machine. The user needs to assign the tools to which tool spindle they will be consumed during machining. Select the tools in the machine tool view and then use drag and drop. We also make sure that when a new tool is created or imported to the CAM setup, it's set with a unique tool number. This to make sure that each tool has its own tool number. To assign the setup components such as part, workpiece, and fixture to the machine setup is a necessary step to connect the machine with the workpiece so that part blank and fixture geometries are moving with the table of the machine. We edit the workpiece object and toggle on physical workpiece. Then in the drop-down list, we make sure to have setup selected. To have the fixtures assigned to the setup, we specify them as check geometries. Within the NX2406 release, it's possible for users to activate the feature toggle, show machine setup configurator with machine-powered programming setup, and the sub-toggle, allow the user to commission workpiece. This to use the new machine setup configurator view. In the resource bar, if we select the button for machine setup configurator, we can see the new commissioning view. This contains of a tool view and a part view. In the tool view, we can see all of the tools in our current setup. If a machine is created without a magazine, the tools will be added inside of an assignable pocket with a unique tool number. The assignable pockets will be created automatically when the user adds a new tool in the ONT machine tool view. The user can also select the Dynamic Items node. Then press right mouse button to insert tool or pocket, or also directly select an empty pocket. Then press Insert Tool. In the part view, the user can manually add the setup components, such parts, workpiece, and fixtures, to the machine setup. By using the part view, we can assign the fixture components without having them specified as check geometries in the workpiece object. But once, for example, the fixture component is added, the user will also have to specify the part and workpiece to be part of the machine setup.